Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss pre-release material for computer science O-level student who are appearing in May-June series 2021. So today we are going to discuss which type of the scenario we have and how we are going to solve this particular scenario according to CAIE examination or for the CAIE examination. Before we started, what exactly it's happening in this particular scenario, I will just give you one example about a cinema. Before the lockdown, we used to go to cinemas to watch our new films or movies. At the time of the ticket purchasing, we always saw one screen which shows us a detail of a cinema and the details of a movie. For example, if there is a particular cinema and they have a multiple type of the screens like cinema A, cinema B or cinema C, or we always say cinema max, then a 3D cinema or 2D screen. So we always saw this type of the information on a screen. On this screen, we can easily see how many seats is available in your required cinema screen. For example, you wanted to watch a movie on 2D cinema or 3D cinema. You can easily look at the screen and you can identify how many seats is available. For example, if you wanted to book a 10 seats, so the person is sitting over there, he will help you out which type of the seats you require. But in this particular scenario, the things is little bit changed. But the idea is the same, we have to create a screen which will help us out to see what's happening on a screen on a database. So let's begin with the scenario. On your screen, the scenario detail is there. I will just try to explain you the main crux of this particular scenario, what we have to do or what we require to make our program code. You can use any high level language or flowchart or any pseudocode to complete this particular task. I will use a pseudocode to complete this particular task. What are the basic requirements? The first thing, which type of the screen you have to prepare? You have to prepare the screen for electric mountain railways, like are rails which taking the passenger from one place to another place. So it means we have a journey. Secondly, they also mention that they have a two different type of the trains. One train is took you from foot of the mountain to the top of the mountain. The second one, top of the mountain to the foot of the mountain. But we always have in this scenario are two different timings. For example, the train leaves from the foot of the mountain at 9 hours, 11 hours, 13 hours and 15 hours. It means that there will be a 4 trains with the different timings. That trains will take the passenger from foot of the mountain to the top of the mountain. At the same time, not at the same time, but the different way or different trains will take the passenger from top of the mountain and they will take it back or come back to the foot. Like over here, the timing for the trains 10 hours, 12 hours, 14 hours and 16 hours. It means that we have two different ways to go up and come back down. The way you are going to top, you have to take 4 different trains at different timings. From top to bottom, when you have to come to back to the foot of the mountain, you have to take a different type of the trains with the different timings. To come back 10 hours, 12 hours, 14 hours and 16 hours. Now, these are trains. 4 trains will take you from foot to top and the 4 trains is available to take you back to the foot of the mountain. Again, if they are taking to you, maybe there's some charging or some cost is involved over there. So the cost for first journey, like one side ticket is $25 and the another side ticket is $25. It means the total journey will cost you $50. And they also mention this thing, the person who's booking the ticket, you are not allowed to pre-book the ticket. For example, you went today to book the ticket for day after tomorrow. They said whenever you want, at the same day you have to book the tickets. And they also mention that each trains have 6 coaches with 80 seats available in each coach. This means that at the same time, at the one time or the one train will take 480 passenger at a single time. Remember this word 480. They also mention in the last line over here, okay, the last train which is coming back from the top of the mountain, it has a 2 extra coaches. It means the coaches quantity of the seat will be 640 because previously each coach has 480 seats. Now there is a 2 extra coaches in each coach has 80 seats. It means total 160 extra coaches. And they also mention that once the ticket is sold out, you have to use, see when a train is full, you have to use word closed. Okay, insist of ticket available. Okay, first we have to show on a screen that the ticket is available. Once the train is sold out, all the ticket is sold out, so you have to show the word closed. Okay, then there are 3 different tasks as usual. If we talk about the programming, input, process and output. In the pseudocode, in the pre-list material, there are 3 different tasks the student has to perform. Task 1, which is mentioned at the heading, start of the day. Task 2, purchasing tickets, and the task 3, end of the day. The start of the day, we have to prepare a screen. See, the start of the day, where we have to initialize a different type of required variables which show the screen of a railway. Okay, what is the train number? What is the timing of the train? Seat is available or not? How many seats is available in a particular train? In task 2, you have to prepare a program where the user can purchase a ticket from you. In the task 3, end of the day, you have to calculate the amount, the passenger, how many passenger travel in a day or for a day, or how many money you earn. You have to sum up this thing as well. I hope you get a very clear idea of this scenario which will appear in the examination of May-June 2021. For more details to how to solve for task 1, task 2 and task 3, you can view my other videos. Thank you very much. Have a like, share, comment and subscribe my channel.